So this is what comes inside the box. This is the seat. This is the headrest. These two are the arms. This is the back and various tools I'll be using to assemble this along with a seat controller. I'm happy to report that the building process is as painless as possible. This is my second chair I have ever built and it only took me 15 minutes to assemble the whole thing. This is the instruction manual, and as you can see, there is only 6 steps, which is why it was so easy to assemble. A lot of the assembly was push and play, which made the process a lot less painful. And I was able to hand screw a lot of the screws without actually using the tools it provided, which made it effortless. So I gotta give this building experience an A+. This was so easy. So now the negatives. The first I would say is this back lumbar support right here. As you can see, it is just a rack here. There's no lumbar cushion, there's no any support. So when you fall back on this, it doesn't feel as comfortable as if you had a little bit of padding or cushion right here. And also the headrest that is adjustable here. I think this is perfect for the amount of adjustability that you would need. It goes all the way back, all the way down. But in this part here, this is very hard to adjust. I can't even push it down right now. I have to push it very hard to push it down. I'm gonna have a very rough time trying to pull this thing out because there's no easy way for me to adjust this. You would assume this thing would do something, but this doesn't. Another thing is, although this feature is very useful, there's no adjustability in terms of moving the armrest all the way out or all the way in. It's just rotations of the angle. And the seating, although firm, may be a bit too firm for some people. And if I were to really nitpick, I think this adjustable thing here could be better because for you to go up and down, you have to push down on it, which you would automatically think if you want to go up, you have to push up on this, but that doesn't do anything. But overall, I think these are minor gripes to an overall amazing chair, much better than a chair I already have, and I'm going to be using this for probably years to come.